Hey everybody, Ryan here. The world has been using paper for almost 3,000 years, and as a contractor and a designer, I use it in many aspects of my business. From vision boards to blueprints to design renderings, having that polished look can really make you look like a professional or an amateur. A quality paper can set you apart and make your design ideas look as impressive as they deserve to look. I'm working on a kitchen remodel for the Oscar Mike Foundation, and I've got an important client who's considering donating product coming out today to look at my ideas, and they just have to be perfect. Most of my clients are used to seeing tangible results, so my presentation cannot just be another computer slideshow. I need it to be an accurate representation of my intentions, so color is super important here, as well as the overall quality of the paper I use. My go-to is always Hammermill paper. Not only do they have a century-long legacy of providing quality paper products, this paper is also made in the USA, and since I've been remodeling spaces for veterans, that fact has become near and dear to me. I work at a large studio where we use a lot of paper. From printing contracts to schedules, it's a necessary part of our lives. We have made our efforts to be more eco-friendly, and that is why we choose a paper brand that cares about our environment as well. Hammermill is made with renewable resources from sustainably managed forests, and that means by using their paper, ensuring forests are replenished for future generations. I also love that they help the kids at St. Jude's Research Hospital. The paper I chose for printing my final presentation is the Color Copy Digital. It works with a variety of printers, and it's designed to be super bright for true color reproduction and image contrast. It also has a smooth surface for those heavier toner applications and holds up great for two-sided printing. I also have a need for many different size papers for my plans and sketches. I use the tabloid size to create some smaller blueprints to show the client. There are a lot of variables in construction, and I need to be ready to redesign and react at the last minute. Hey, Olga!
Hey!
All right, you ready?
I am so ready.
All right, right this way.
Very excited to get started.
Let's have a look at the design here. I got some beautiful renderings for you to check out.
I love how smooth it is.
Let me have you look at the sink here.
Oh, that's fantastic. One thing comes to mind regarding our veterans, and you know, they use wheelchairs, so can we bring it down a little bit?
We're gonna drop the whole thing down 3 inches. Okay. We're gonna remove the cabinet door in the front so their chair can go under, and we'll be compliant with all ADA codes. Now here's the plans and the printout of the actual layout.
So can I actually see it as a new layout in terms of showing me?
Sure, let me run over to my computer in the CAD program, change it, print it right out, and I'll bring it right back.
Perfect, I'll keep on looking here.
Knowing I have a paper that I can trust with no unexpected issues such as the dreaded paper jam, I can adjust our plans and get them immediately back into my client's hands without a hitch. Here are the revisions with all the correct measurements and dimensions. That is yours. You can take the renderings. You can take this all with you.
You are quick. All right, I'm really excited. It's gonna be great, right?
Yes, it's gonna be awesome.
I can't wait to get started.
All right.
Be fantastic. All right, see you soon.
See you later. Well, the makeover was a huge success, and I really have to give a lot of credit to the beautiful presentation. As they say, you only have one chance to give a great first impression. If you need any assistance finding the perfect paper for your project, visit hammermill.com.